and welcome to this week's What's Hot. Now, being the child of a Haribo salesman, and yes, that means that literally and not metaphorically, I have a sugar daddy. But because of that, I have an interest in all things soft and sweet, although I have not yet progressed to the gummies that are supplied by the Chill Brands Group PLC. Now, company is involved in CBD, which is short for cannabinoid hemp extract. It makes luxury health and wellness soft gel capsules and massage oils and topical creams under its Zoetic brand, which reminds me of the premonition made last June by industry data think tank Prohibition Partners, which said that the cannabis market looked set to become a recession-proof investment after CBD's classification as an essential good in the US, Canada, and the Netherlands. Still, the share price in Chill looks a little bit relaxed. And because of that, because of the fundamentals and the slightly lower share price, could it come under the sights of Seed Innovations Limited? Now, Seed looks at investing in the wellness space, and it buys more of an asset while the junior markets are behaving like psychedelic swirly vortexes. Now, in this week's interims, it said this: frustratingly, market sentiment has not remained favorable across sectors in general, with a number failing to deliver on the expectations of early investors, and particularly for the cannabis-focused stocks. But Seed says, we continue to be a firm believer in investing in the medical cannabis, health and wellness space. Well, staying with chilling, let's have a look at AIM listed lounges. Now, this company runs about 153 cafe bars and 31 cozy club restaurant bars. It was set up to offer something for everyone, regardless of age, demographic or gender. And in its most recent interim results, it talked about a post-COVID environment, which I thought was a very interesting choice of words, because we're not in a post-COVID environment, we're in a post-lockdown environment. But there it is, it's here to stay, it's endemic, and I suppose we've just got to learn to live with it, taking suitable precautions, of course. Well, here is Lounge's one-year chart, and here is the company's 2-year stock performance. Now, this week I watched Professor Dame Sarah Gilbert deliver the 44th Richard Dimbleby Lecture. Now, she is one of the creators of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. She spoke about the amount of money being invested in defence and security. This is defence against world wars, you know, tanks and armaments and armoury. And that might never happen. Let's hope it certainly doesn't. Well, she said that there is still no funding for pandemic preparedness. She says the same type and amount of investment needs to be devoted to the science, preparing against the next battle, against the next virus. So I suppose that she was stoking the rallying cry for more investment into biotech. Take note. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you're well. I'll be back same time next week.